So back to here, when I said we think there's a 7.9% chance of that happening, is that enough to convict them or is that not? So thinking ahead for what we're going to do here is it depends on the problem. And then some other stuff we haven't talked about yet. So let's say we're thinking about something like COVID vaccine is a really good one. Do I want to make sure when they decide to approve a vaccine, just at the level of this chapter that we're at right now, if I think that it's not going to be good 7.9% of the time, do you think that means that's not good enough, I shouldn't give it? And you see kind of how we're saying that? Like, if we thought the vaccine was going to work, and 7.9% of the time it really didn't, do you think that means we shouldn't give it? All things considered, do you think it's still worth it? Yes. So like that scenario, I might take something a little bit higher there I might be wrong and that's fine. If someone is on death row and I have to convict them to decide whether or not they get to live, do you think I want to take an 8% chance that I might be doing the wrong thing? No, you want a really, 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 really low number there. So scenario-wise is going to change that a lot, especially in real world. But overall, for the most part, we use 0.5. Like if I don't give you one, we're going to say 0.5 is where we say, okay, 5% chance that's good enough to go ahead and say no. So overall, we're going to use this being 5% or less than 5% to make the decision to basically like convict them, unless the problem itself says something different. Questions with that?